Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will here with the Passive Income Network, and on this video, we'll be talking about the cryptocurrency market. There's a lot of blood in the streets, and people are not looking at their portfolio. There's a lot of FUD on the crypto Twitter or X timeline, so we want to get a message out to all the Algorand investors, the Moonwell investors, the aerodromes, the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, and all of the good coins that are out there. So let's dive in. To get it off going in the right direction, I want to say big shout out to y'all who's been still staying around throughout the whole bear market and is who here right now during the bull market, right? We staying 10 toes down in this market, but remember, volatility is a part of the game. The rise and falls, the ebbs and flows, the greed, the fear is all a part of this market. So you got to be ready to handle it. And right now, coins are on discount. And if we want to look at the grand scheme of things, the overall market, we'll start with the stock market. The stock market is pulling back. That rally from where Trump got elected, that thing is gone. It's pretty much disappearing. All the stocks are retracing back to November 6th, November 5th type of time frame. And we know right now, Bitcoin is pulling back as well. It did have a spike under 90,000, but nothing to be afraid of. You see companies like MicroStrategy are still buying. And if we're looking at the smaller cap coins like the Algorands, the XRPs, they have also pulled back, but they are finding bottom levels. Then when we jump over to the Moonwells and the aerodromes, they're going to pull back more than some of the higher cap coins like the Bitcoins, like the Ethereums, the XRPs, the Algorands, because they are lower cap, smaller cap gems. So to focus is the main thing we need to do. We need to decide, are we buying the dip? Are we going to DCA in, dollar cost average in, to get some of these assets at a discount? Are we going to hold, right? Just sit back, don't look at the wallet, go outside, touch grass, as the homie Crypto for Change say, or eat grass, right? Just relax. Are we going to do that? Or are we going to panic? And panicking is the worst thing you can do, is sell at the bottom. So what I'm doing is I'm going to slowly add to my positions that I have high convictions for. I would suggest that people remind themselves of why they're purchasing, let's say, a Moonwell. Go to their website, use the Moonwell debit card, do some staking with your USDC. Remind yourself of what's happening with on-chain finance. For the Algorand investors, the MasterCard is coming. You can start spending your USDC there. Remind yourself why you're in the game. Aerodrome, remember that they're doing fee sharing, revenue sharing, all of the good things that is happening. And if you in meme coins, remind yourself why you in the game. So that's my plan. That's what I'm doing. And remember, we signed up for this. So let's enjoy the bottom. Let's enjoy this temporary bear market and then load up so we can head back to the upside. But before I go, let's check out a few charts. So I have the Bitcoin chart pulled up on the daily. And then right now, you can see where the election on November 6th happened. We get a nice run up for a while, all the way up to 108,000. Then we get a slight retracement. I got a couple different levels on the screen right here. We got about roughly 91,000 here. We spiked under that. Has been gobbled up, but these last 3 days, we have very weak buying pressure. Then we have the next level down about 83,000. And that's a level that we definitely want to pay attention to, 81,000. And then if that level gets broken, prepare to go right around 70,000. However, I don't think that's going to happen. At most, I think we get a flash crash to 88, 85,000 or so. Bitcoin's still looking strong, but it's time to be cautious and maybe de-risk if that's what you have to do. And then if you're looking at Algorand is still in a position, I talked about this a little while ago, It's holding the line around 30 cent, 31 cent. That's a good thing. Again, a couple bearish candles are there. Not to be too alarmed. I think we have found a bottom. And then for the Moonwell investors, we have broken through some levels. I put another level around 4 cents. You can see that we had a wick there that went under 4 cents, but it has been gobbled up and we're back above 4 cents. So the next thing that needs to happen, we need to see the RSI point back up in the right direction. And then we need to see a range between 4 cents and 5 cents for a little while before we get back above 5 cents and head back to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing in the charts, and we got to continue to pay attention, hold the line if you in this game, and then we will be rewarded when the time is right. Again, it's C. Will with the Passive Income Network. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Until the next video, peace.
Passive income, gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.